There you go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, you guys? We are here in Miami, Florida today. It's gonna be a really cool episode. I'm here with a good friend of mine, Miami and LA photographer Ashley Canario, Canario on IG. We're gonna be doing a film versus digital shoot-off, and with a really cool talent you might have seen or recognized from before, straight from Puerto Rico. You're about to see. Let's go.
Wait, can I have hair and makeup to come real quick? This is a top. This is a top. These are green pants with the top, and then this is the top. I love this combo.
That's Patrick. That isn't me.
2. This. Doppelganger.
It's my stunt double.
And then I have like this shit.
Cool.
This pink outfit.
Oh my god, I love that.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah, I like the share looking one.
This one?
Yeah, that's so cute.
Yeah, that one's real nice.
Yeah, this top is everything. I'm gonna get you looking right.
Oh, I was looking wrong.
No, he wasn't. I just feel like if you're gonna do this, YouTube, you might as well do it like some cool ass.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how I load my film.
Yeah. Okay,
what film I'll be using today. Yeah, you can peep what camera I'm using. I don't care.
Okay, great. She got all the details.
All the details.
Yeah, she got all the good information, insightful content.
Not
That's what we're all
sponsored
about.
by Toyota, but if you wanna give me a car, I don't mind.
Yo, my mustache is getting too long. Gotta trim that.
All right, guys. So here I have an Olympus. I have a few shots left. It's with bubblegum pink film. So we're gonna try that. And then I have here 2 Portra 1-400 and 160. I'm gonna dabble between the 40mm Canon lens Pancake. This is my film camera. And then also an 85 Sigma, one of my favorite lens. Do a little bit. Can you see it?
Your hand was covering it.
But yeah, that's what I'm rocking with. Okay, so for this camera, you're gonna go ahead and press this button and pop it open. Gotta be real careful. And I normally like to use 160 when it's like super like sunny, bright out. It's just my preference. You don't really have to, but it's just what I like to use. And kind of like line it up there, close it, and yeah, that's when you know. Damn, muggy out here, shit.
Alright, Ashley, you can start.
Oh, my bad. Okay, so, damn, like that? On you. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. What I'll also have you do is kind of go a little bit more in. This is so cute. I love it. Even the pen, I'm even fucking with the pen. There you go. And I'm gonna focus right. Let me know when you're ready.
Alright, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. Oh, mother. Alright. There. Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm using my 50 today, but got tangled up in my tether cable and my 50 cracked. My most expensive lens. I'm a little bit bummed out about that, but I mean, I guess it happens on the field, like I've told you before. We're not perfect out here. And you know, you're not a rookie for making mistakes. It still works, it just has a little, you know, unfortunate, you know, aesthetic predicament. But I'm also pairing it up with a double filter I put together. I got an ND filter and I have a Star 6 filter on. See if I still got it.
Stepping up to the plate. Oh yeah, let me do. Look at this stats.
I need to see it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Good. I'm stealing her shots.
Right.
Yo, honestly, Ashley probably has this challenge in the bag because his whole like vibe is something that I would shoot on film before anything.
What'd you say, brother?
Huh?
Oh, one more. Okay, yeah, there you go. Look down. Yeah, you can look at him. Okay, good. Not me with like 2 glasses. I have so much on me.
Ashley, you're gonna win this challenge.
Alright, so I'm watching Gabe do his little thing, and you know what? That's cake right there. See, we have a wild Gabe approaching us right now.
Let's roll. Tell us your name.
Hi, my name's Jazmyne Joy.
Okay, what brings you here today?
Gabe texting me yesterday.
Okay, so how are you feeling about today? Tell us what we're doing.
Today we are shooting film and digital. We did 3 different looks. Wait, is this supposed to be like the before or the after? Because I can be like, we're gonna do 3 different looks.
Either one works.
Okay, we're gonna do 3 different looks, and then we did 3 different looks.
So we shot recently before, right? How do you think, how'd that go?
Bro, it was so fire.
Nice.
I meant to tell you, like, a bunch of people told me they loved it.
Oh, for real? Okay. All right,
Gave a lot of
tell them to follow you on
personality.
Instagram.
You can follow me on Instagram. Are you doing like a thingy?
I don't know about writing it, but like, we'll see.
You can follow me at JazmyneJoy_.
All right, nice. All right.
Just say where we're going next.
Huh?
But just don't get some wide. Okay, you go, boy.
Yeah, hold it right there. Hold it right there, officer. Go over this way a bit. Okay.
Turn around. Like this, and kind of like double back. What is that? Oh, that's me.
Try to, yeah, hold it right there.
Honestly, I love both digital and film, but with film, for some reason, it feels like so light and so like, I don't know, I feel more freedom, creative. Hey, bitch!
Oh. Yeah, crazy. Yeah.
Oh, emotion. Me.
Say it for a second. Yeah, hold it right there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, hold that right there. Notice how the light's coming from behind and giving her a nice like backlit, like a nice backlit essence. Well, this is too much now, but before it was looking pretty nice. So I think it's great to understand film and learn how to use it. Maybe take a nice darkroom course wherever you can to really understand the basics and the origins. And then from there you can kind of develop your own style. A lot of times I shoot digital, but people really think I shoot film because that's kind of the style that I like to use. But it's really up to you. Once you learn, it's infinite possibilities.
Oh.
You got it?
Deep shit.
Knowledge is power. Awkward-ish, like
What's giving you awkward, my stance?
Nah, I like it. Like, I like the awkward vibe.
You're like, or can it be bent? Are you? There you go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then I'll also have you lay down. Thanks.
Okay, so the shoe is just finished up. How do you think you did today, Ashley?
I think I did great. I'm excited to see how everything comes out. Jazmyne over here is a pro. Gabe over here is a pro, so it was really fucking nice.
Now, do you feel more comfortable with the film or digital?
Honestly, I feel comfortable with film. It's a lot more liberating, more free.
Okay.
But yeah.
Now, how do you go for you, Jazmyne? How do you feel today?
It's really hot, but I think we killed it. The vibes were immaculate.
Alright,
It was lit. It was lit.
What about you? What about you?
You know, I had a good time. I was dealing with the mental strain of having this crack staring at me on my lens every time I looked at it.
Oh, I thought you meant.
But it happens, you know? It happens. We all went through that.
And, you know, I'm kind of a mental type of person, so if I know that thing is there the whole time, like, is it working to the best of its abilities? But you know, at the end of the day, it's not the gear, it's you.
Remind them. Remind them.
But, alright, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
And like I always say, this is to bring insightful and valuable content to you guys' table. So please feel free to leave comments, you know, let us know what you want to see more of. And I'll get to it. Follow on the Instagram _youngshot. And thank you guys for tuning in. See you next weekend, Sunday at 2 p.m.